Welcome back, homeowners, and those that are new, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Volt Pool Leaf Vacuum made by the WaterTech company. I got this as an upgrade to my old Pool Blaster, which was also made by WaterTech. The problem with the old one was it had to use batteries to operate. This one here is an upgrade. It does not need batteries. It's rechargeable. And I'm going to be cleaning the leaves that are in my pool. As you can see there's quite a bit of debris and leaves from the Santa Ana winds here in Southern California. So let's put this pool vacuum to the test to see if it's any better than the previous one. I can already see that it's going to be better just by not having to put batteries in it. The first thing I'm going to do is just add the bag to the unit simply by putting it over the propeller and securing it. The next thing I'm going to do is grab my pole and securing the pole to the unit. Once it's secured, I'm going to put it in the water for it to automatically turn on. It does come with wheels, so it's pretty smooth. And it's supposed to turn on as soon as I submerge it in water. Within like a second or two, it should kick on. Be sure to cover the charging port to ensure no water goes in the unit. As you can see, as soon as I put it in the water, you can see the fan kick on. I don't have an underwater camera, but I'm going to do the best I can with what I got to demonstrate the Volt's features underwater. If you have an underwater camera that I should look into, go ahead and post it in the comments below. Meanwhile, enjoy the following clips demonstrating the Volt in action. All right, not too shabby, water tech. That was pretty impressive. Let's pull this Volt pool vacuum out and see how much debris we were able to collect. I'm surprised about the performance. I think it handled the job well. It maneuvered under the water pretty smoothly. Let's see how much debris we were able to collect. The bag stayed on the unit securely throughout the cleaning process, and the quality of the bag was pretty decent, in my opinion. I like that it was able to pick up some of the smaller debris. However, the purpose of this leaf vacuum was not intentionally for dirt and grime. It was mainly focused to pick up the leaf debris. And as you can see, it did its job. Overall, I think this is a good option for the average homeowner to have their own pool vacuum. It does the job, it's affordable, and hopefully it'll last the 2 years that it says it will. If you like the video, give it a like, comment below, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you made it this far, I appreciate you sticking around, and we'll see you on the next one.